Hi, my name is Jessica Martin, and today I'm going to be doing a quick run through of my dissection of the sheep heart. I do have this just to keep me on track with all of the things that I need to identify, but I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on and get going here. So, looking at the heart, I have a few parts cut open and a few parts that we'll look at on the outside. Okay, so this is the anterior view of the heart. So looking here, we have the left and right atria and left and right ventricles. I'm just going to turn this a little bit. Okay. And so that's what it would look like from the outside. Looking in on the left side of the heart here, if we were to open this up, the bottom chamber, you can really not see that. The bottom chamber is the ventricle, the top chamber is the atria. If we take a closer look here, you can see that there are little strands coming in here, and those are called the chordae tendineae. They are what attach to the mitral valve, which is what separates the atria and the ventricle. Then we have, if you go up through the left ventricle, that's where we have the aortic valve, which takes us out the aorta. So if you follow up from the left ventricle, that's where the aortic valve is. The pulmonary and tricuspid valves will be on the right side of the heart. So again, our lower chamber here is the ventricle, the upper chamber is the atria. Here we can see the chordae tendineae right there for the tricuspid valve, which is on the right side of the heart. And for the pulmonary valve, if we just go ahead and follow the path of the ventricle, we come out the back here. This is where the pulmonary vein would be, where the left ventricle would go out to the pulmonary vein, and so the pulmonary valve is up there. The interventricular septum we can see better from this side, so we have the left ventricle down at the bottom, and this wall that separates the ventricles is going to be the interventricular septum. We also have the different layers of the heart. So this outer connective tissue layer is called the epicardium. The thick muscular layer of the heart that we can see when we look open in here that separates the inside and outside is the myocardium. And then the tissue that lines the insides of the chambers is the endocardium. Last thing is that there are arteries that run along the surface of the heart. You can kind of see them here. And those are going to be what supply blood flow to the heart muscle itself. So I'm going to take a quick look at my list. I do think I went through everything, so that is my video.